Namaste. Good morning to all and welcome in online yoga session. I am Deepika and along with me Mr. Pratap Das. Today we will teach you few yoga practices that will be useful to treat PCOS. PCOS means polycystic ovary syndrome. PCOS is a condition that affects women's hormone level. Its symptoms include irregular menstruation, hair growth on body and face, acne, and weight gain. Yoga is a way of healthy living, and studies have shown that yoga helps in reducing stress and maintain hormonal balance. Before I start the session, let me tell you that we are going to practice yoga at well sanitized place. Please follow government guidelines and cooperate with health workers. Stay aware, stay safe, stay healthy. So let's start the session with 3 times of Om. For Om chanting, sit in any comfortable meditative posture. Keep your back, neck, head straight. Place your palms in Chin Mudra on your respective knee. Gently close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Feel the vibration of Om around you and in your body. Now open your eyes. Release your hands and legs position. Stretch both legs forward one by one. Shake your legs. First practice is Chakki Chalanasana. For Chakki Chalanasana, legs apart. Take comfortable distance between both legs. Sit straight. Look straight. Stretch your hands front side of your body in line of your shoulder and make finger lock. As you inhale, lean little bit back. As you exhale, bend forward towards your left toe. Touch your left toe with your hands. Rotate upper body towards your right. Inhale, lean back. Like this, you have to practice 10 rounds clockwise direction. 10 बार सीधी दिशा में इसी तरह अभ्यास कीजिए. श्वास लेते हुए पीछे, श्वास छोड़ते हुए आगे. Keep your hands straight. Don't bend your elbows. यहाँ ध्यान दीजिए, पूरे अभ्यास के दौरान आप अपने हाथों को सीधा रखेंगे. क्षमता के अनुसार कीजिए. Now practice in anti-clockwise direction. अब विपरीत दिशा में 10 बार घुमाएं. This asana has a positive effect on the pelvis and abdomen and eliminates energy blockages in these areas. After 10 rounds, slowly come back. Release your hands position. Place your palms back side. Reduce gap between both legs. Relax for a while. Next asana we will practice, that is Ardha Masendrasana, spinal twisting asana. For Ardha Masendrasana, join your legs together. Sit straight. Place your palms beside of your buttocks. Now first bend your left knee, fold your left leg and place your left heel beside of your right buttock. But don't sit on heel. Now bend your right knee, fold your right leg and place your right foot other side of your left knee. Your right leg in up position, so bring your right hand back and place your right palm in line of your spine on mat, finger facing outward. As you inhale, raise your left hand up. Stretch your hand up. As you exhale, bring your left hand down. First cross your right leg, then try to hold right ankle joint, calf muscle or knee where you are feeling comfortable. Then exhale, twist your waist towards right side. Look back in line of your shoulder. In final position, close your eyes. Breathing should be normal. Try to keep your both shoulders in one line. Feel the twist towards your waist and pressure towards your abdomen. Slowly come back, look straight. Inhale, raise your left hand up. Exhale, bring your left hand down. Release your right hand position and stretch your both legs forward one by one. Same practice with other side. Take position. First bend your right knee, fold your right leg and place your right heel beside of your left buttock. Now bend your left knee, fold your left leg and place your left foot other side of your right knee. यहाँ ध्यान दीजिए कि आपका बायां पैर ऊपर है तो बाएं हाथ को ही पीछे रखेंगे. बाईं हथेली को मेरुदंड की सीट पे ज़मीन पर रखिए. अब श्वास लेते हुए दाएं हाथ को ऊपर उठाइए, ऊपर की ओर खिंचाव दीजिए. श्वास छोड़ते हुए दाएं हाथ को नीचे लाएं, बाएं पैर के बाहरी ओर से लेकर आइए. पकड़ने का प्रयास कीजिए बाएं पैर का टखना, पिंडली या घुटना. अब बाईं ओर कमर पर मुड़ाव लेते हुए पीछे देखिए कंधे की सीध में. श्वास पर श्वास सामान्य. Ardha Masendrasana massages the abdominal organ. Very effective practice in PCOS. Ardha Masendrasana give strength to back muscles and make your spine flexible. Slowly come back, look straight. Inhale, raise your right hand up. Exhale, slowly bring your right hand down. Release your left hand position and stretch your both legs forward one by one. Relax for a while. Close your eyes and observe the breath. Next, we are going to practice Paschimottanasana, forward bending asana. For Paschimottanasana, join your legs together. Sit straight. Place your palm on your thighs. Look straight. As you inhale, raise your both hands up. Stretch your hands up. As you exhale, bend forward slowly. Make hook of your index finger and try to touch your big toe. Further exhale, bend forward, head down and try to place your forehead on your knees. Bend your elbows, elbows down and try to touch your elbows on floor. Maintain the final position with normal breath. अगर आप अपनी अंगूठे को नहीं पकड़ पा रहे हैं तो अपने टखने को पकड़कर इस अभ्यास को कर सकते हैं। अपनी क्षमता के अनुसार करें और आसन की अंतिम अवस्था को कुछ देर सामान्य श्वास प्रश्वास के साथ बनाने का प्रयास करें। धीरे से वापस आएंगे। श्वास लेते हुए दोनों हाथों को सिर, कंधा, छाती को ऊपर उठाएं। हाथों को ऊपर की ओर खिंचाव दीजिए। श्वास छोड़ते हुए धीरे धीरे दोनों हाथों को नीचे ले आइए। एक बार और अभ्यास करेंगे। As you inhale, raise your both hands up. Stretch your hands up. As you exhale, bend forward. Make hook of your index finger and try to catch your big toe. Further exhale, bend forward more and try to touch forehead to knee. Final position maintain with normal breath. Elbows down towards floor. Feel the effect of Paschim Uttanasana. It tones pelvic region and very effective practice in PCOS and obesity. Slowly come back. Inhale, raise your hands, head, shoulder, chest up. Stretch your hands up. As you exhale, release your stretch. Bring your hands down. Relax for a while. Observe the breath. Next asana is Ushtra Asana, camel pose. For Ushtra Asana, you have to sit in Vajrasana. So bend your both knees, fold your both legs and come to Vajrasana position. For Ushtra Asana, stand on knees. Take distance between both knees and both feet according to shoulder level. Place your palms on your waist. As you inhale, raise your both hands up above your head. Stretch your hands up. As you exhale, bend backward. Bring your hand one by one back and try to hold your heels. If not possible, then place your palms on your buttocks. Push your pelvic forward and keep your head loose backside. Maintain the final position with normal breath. Feel the expansion towards your chest, contraction towards your back. Very effective practice in obesity, PCOS, constipation, and respiratory disorder. Slowly come back. As you inhale, raise your both hands up. As you exhale, look straight, bring your hands down and sit in Vajrasana. एक बार और इसका अभ्यास करेंगे। घुटनों पर खड़े हो जाइए। घुटनों और पंजों में कंधे जितनी दूरी दे दीजिए। हथेलियों को कमर भाग पर रखिए। श्वास लेते हुए दोनों हाथों को ऊपर उठाएं और ऊपर की ओर खिंचाव दीजिए। श्वास छोड़ते हुए कमर भाग से पीछे की ओर मुड़ाव लेते हुए एक एक करके हाथ को पीछे ले जाएं और एड़ियों को पकड़ने का प्रयास करें। नहीं हो पा रहा हो तो हथेलियों को कमर भाग पर रखकर सिर को पीछे ढीला छोड़ दीजिए। कमर भाग को थोड़ा आगे धकेलें। श्वास प्रश्वास सामान्य। आसन के प्रभाव को महसूस कीजिए। गुड फॉर बैक। धीरे से वापस आएंगे। श्वास लेते हुए हाथों को ऊपर की ओर सीधा कीजिए। कमर भाग को सीधा कीजिए। श्वास छोड़ते हुए धीरे धीरे दोनों हाथों को नीचे ले आइए और बैठ जाइए वज्रासन में। कृपया करके वज्रासन में ही बैठे रहिए। अगला अभ्यास करेंगे मंडूकासन का। For Mandukasana, stretch your both hands forward. Make fist with thumbs up. Now slowly place your fist near your navel and touch your thumb with each other. Inhale, expand your chest, look up. As you exhale, bend forward. Push your fist towards your abdomen. Hold the breath out. Look straight in final position. Move your elbows little back and maintain the final position. For comfortable time, feel the pressure towards your abdomen. Mandukasana tones the abdominal organs. Slowly come back. Inhale. Keep your head back straight. हाथों को इसी अवस्था में रखिए, मुट्ठी बनाकर अपनी नाभि के पास। अंगूठों को मिलाकर रखिए। एक बार और इस अभ्यास को करेंगे। श्वास लेते हुए छाती में फैलाव दीजिए, ऊपर देखिए। श्वास छोड़ते हुए कमर भाग से आगे झुकिए, मुट्ठियों को दबाइए उदर भाग की ओर। श्वास को बाहर ही रोक दीजिए, सीधा देखकर अभ्यास कीजिए। कोहनियाँ पीछे की ओर रखिए। उदर भाग पर आ रहे दबाव को महसूस कीजिए। धीरे से वापस आएंगे। श्वास लेते हुए सिर, कंधा, छाती को सीधा कर लें। अब हाथों को भी घुटनों की तरफ सीधा कर लीजिए। Close your eyes, observe the breath. Now slowly release your Vajrasana position. Stretch your both legs forward. Shake your legs. Next we are going to practice Surya Namaskar, sun salutation. For Surya Namaskar, slowly come to standing position. Surya Namaskar is the ideal practice to increase awareness and bestow good health and well-being. For Surya Namaskar, come forward, front side of mat, legs together, stand straight. There are 12 steps in Surya Namaskar. Now slowly bend your elbows and place your palms in Namaskar Mudra, front side of your chest, breathing normal in this position. As you inhale, raise your both hands up. Make slight curve towards your back and look up. As you exhale, bend forward. Place both palms beside of your feet. Try to touch forehead to knee. Keep your legs straight. As you inhale, bring your right leg back. Bend your right knee on mat. Look up. Push your pelvic down. As you exhale, bring your left leg back. Body should be in slanting position. Look straight. Further exhale, bend your knee, bend your elbows. Bring your chest down. Place chin, chest, knees on mat, buttocks up. First buttocks down, keep your body straight. Inhale, raise your head, shoulder, chest, abdomen. Look up. Keep your hands straight, legs together. As you exhale, lift your buttocks up, bring your head down. Walk one step forward. Try to place heels on mat. Look towards navel. As you inhale, bring your right leg in front. Place your right foot in between your palms. Bend your left knee on mat. Look up. As you exhale, bring your left leg in front, both legs together. Try to touch forehead to knee. Inhale, raise your both hands, Has shoulder chest up. Make slight curve towards your upper back. Look up. Exhale, keep your back straight, hands down, and place your palms in Namaskar Mudra, front side of your chest. Observe the breath. Now slowly release your hands position. Bring your hands down from side of your body towards your legs. एक बार और इसका अभ्यास करेंगे. दोनों पैरों को मिलाकर रखिए. हथेलियों को नमस्कार मुद्रा में ले आइए छाती के सामने. प्रणाम आसन. श्वास प्रश्वास सामान्य. श्वास लेते हुए दोनों हाथों को ऊपर उठाएं. छाती में फैलाव. दृष्टि ऊपर की ओर. हस्त उत्थान आसन. श्वास छोड़ते हुए कमर भाग से आगे झुकिए. हथेलियों को पंजों के बगल में रखने का प्रयास कीजिए. माथे को घुटने पे लगाने का प्रयास. पैरों को सीधा रखिए. पाद हस्तासन. श्वास लेते हुए दाहिने पैर को पीछे ले जाइए. दायां घुटना जमीन पर. दृष्टि ऊपर की ओर. अश्व संचालन. श्वास छोड़ते हुए बाएं पैर को पीछे ले जाइए. सीधा देखकर अभ्यास कीजिए. संतुलन आसन. श्वास छोड़ते हुए घुटने और कोहनियों को मोड़ते हुए छाती नीचे लाएं. ठुड्डी, छाती, घुटने जमीन पर. नितंब ऊपर की ओर उठे हुए. साष्टांग नमस्कार. धीरे से नितंब को नीचे लाएं. अब श्वास लेते हुए सिर, कंधा, छाती उदर भाग को ऊपर उठाइए. दृष्टि ऊपर की ओर. उग्र भुजंगासन. श्वास छोड़ते हुए नितंब भाग को ऊपर उठाइए. सिर को नीचे की ओर लाइए. एक कदम आगे बढ़ा लीजिए. एड़ियां जमीन पर. दृष्टि नाभि की ओर. पर्वत आसन. अब श्वास लेते हुए दाहिने पैर को आगे लाइए. दायां पंजा दोनों हथेलियों के बीच में रखिए. बायां घुटना जमीन पर. दृष्टि ऊपर की ओर. अश्व संचालन. श्वास छोड़ते हुए बाएं पैर को आगे लाइए. माथे को घुटने पे लगाने का प्रयास कीजिए. पाद हस्तासन. श्वास लेते हुए दोनों हाथों को सिर, कंधा, छाती को ऊपर उठाएं. छाती में फैलाव. दृष्टि ऊपर की ओर. हस्त उत्थान आसन. अब श्वास छोड़ते हुए कमर भाग को सीधा करते हुए हाथों को नीचे ले आइए. हथेलियां ले आइए छाती के सामने. नमस्कार मुद्रा में. सजगता श्वास प्रश्वास पर. प्रणाम आसन. अब धीरे से दोनों हाथों को शरीर के बगल से पैरों की ओर सीधा कर लीजिए. अब आप सभी कृपया करके बैठ जाएं. पैरों को आगे की ओर सीधा कर लीजिए. हथेलियां पीछे की ओर रखिए. आंखें बंद. सजगता श्वास प्रश्वास पर. श्वास प्रश्वास को सामान्य करने का प्रयास कीजिए. सूर्य नमस्कार stimulates and balances all the system of the body. Now we are going to practice pranayam. For pranayam practice, sit in any comfortable meditative posture. किसी भी आरामदायक ध्यानात्मक स्थिति में बैठे. Keep your back, neck, head straight. Place your palms in chin mudra on your respective knee. Close your eyes. Bring your awareness towards your breath. Observe your incoming and outgoing breath. Take deep breath in. Completely exhale and slowly open your eyes. First practice is Kapalbhati. In Kapalbhati, you have to emphasize on forceful exhalation through both the nostril, and with each and every exhalation, you have to contract lower abdomen in. In Kapalbhati, exhalation is active and inhalation is passive. Here we are going to practice 2 rounds. In each and every round, you have to give 30 to 35 strokes. Take position, inhale, exhale and start. Last stroke, complete breath out. Observe the breath. Kapalbhati cleanses your respiratory tract, your nasal tract. Very effective practice in PCOS, obesity, diabetes. एक बार फिर अभ्यास करेंगे. तेजी से शक्तिपूर्ण दोनों नासिकाओं से श्वास को बाहर छोड़िए. पेट को अंदर की ओर खींचिए. श्वास लेने की प्रक्रिया अपने आप होगी. अभ्यास शुरू करें. Last stroke, complete breath out. Observe the breath. सजगता श्वास पर ही रखिए. At the end of this session, we will chant one Om with 3 Shanti together. Inhale deeply. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. पूरे शरीर में स्थिरता को अनुभव कीजिए. मन में शांति का अनुभव कीजिए. Now slowly release your hands position. Rub your palm with each other, make them warm. Make cup shape of your palms and keep on your closed eyes. Relax your eyes. Open your eyes inside your palms. Blink your eyes. Now slowly release your hands position. Bring your hands down. Thank you for being with us. See you tomorrow at same time.